Hello there, it's your girl kinkyfrolisa. Welcome to my channel and to this video. So today I'm going to be trying a deep conditioner on my natural hair. So we're going to be doing a deep conditioning video today, and I'm so excited to use this deep conditioner on my natural hair because I did it myself. And so if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button before leaving, and also on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much, and let's head right into the video. So first off, I just came out of the shower, and so my hair is wet, and you can see that I have a microfiber towel on my hair. I have now started using microfiber towels on my natural hair, and because they are very great as compared to the normal towels that we use. And so I'm going to take off this from my hair so that you see my hair. So these microfiber towels absorb the moisture in your hair without being rough on your hair and also stripping your hair off. It's very soft, and so it leaves your natural hair soft as well. So this is my hair. It's very soft, like I said, and I also used my handmade shampoo to wash my hair. It's very soft. It's a moisturizing shampoo, and so just to introduce you to that shampoo, this is how it is. I don't know how you can see it, but it is very great, and I would also put a video on this one of these days so that you see how I formulated it. So let's head right into deep conditioner. Now the deep conditioner I'm using is this deep conditioner. It is a palm oil deep conditioner, but it also has flaxseed, it has oatmeal and all that's in it. It's very great for natural hair, and it smells great as well. If you haven't watched that video, I would link it up in the card above. I'll also put it in the description box so that you check it out. And so without further ado, let me just start applying it on my hair. I'm not going to be talking much, but I will explain why I used the ingredients that I used in this video. So I make sure that I start off on damp hair because that is very necessary. You don't want to start on dry hair, and since this is a freshly washed hair, I haven't been able to soak all the moisture. So what I'm doing is just drying it a bit, and then I would go in with the deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner that I'm using on my hair is a handmade deep conditioner. I did it myself, and it has great moisturizing properties that will restore your hair back to after you have shampooed it. So this is how the consistency looks like. It's a very thick and smooth deep conditioner that is made with palm oil, colloidal oats, shea butter, flaxseed gel, and other great moisturizing ingredients. Now what I do is just massage, apply the deep conditioner on my hair and massage it in. I make sure that I let it coat on all the hair strands as much as possible. Well, deep conditioners are not necessarily to be used on the scalp. It's just on the hair because you are restoring the hair back, and you are strengthening it. So I just make sure that I also apply it to the ends because those are very old parts and they need more moisture. So what I do is just to twist off each section, and that is what I do for my whole hair. Deep conditioning is great, and you shouldn't miss deep conditioner for anything in your hair regimen. It should be a must. Just like you shampoo your hair, you have to deep condition always. So the ingredients I used in this deep conditioner, I'm going to be talking about palm oil. Now palm oil is rich in vitamin E, and it helps to promote cell growth of hair follicles, which results in stronger hair. palm oil is also rich in palmitic and oleic acid, which makes it perfect for moisturizing natural hair. So you see why I use palm oil to make this deep conditioner. Yeah. Now the last ingredients I'm going to talk about is colloidal oats. Now I use colloidal oats in this deep conditioner because it's a great emollient and it helps to moisturize and soften your hair. It is also rich in proteins and minerals and other vitamins that are beneficial for natural hair. Now the next ingredients I'm also going to talk about is the flaxseed gel. So flaxseed gel is rich in vitamin E, which is great for natural hair. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acid that helps to nourish your hair and prevents dry. Flax seeds also help to prevent breakage by improving hair elasticity and makes your hair more manageable. So the next ingredients that I use and I want to talk about is shea butter. Now shea butter is a great emollient and it is great. It has great moisturizing properties, also rich in vitamin A and E, and helps to reduce dryness and increase shine. So guys, this is why I chose to add these ingredients to my deep conditioner. So now that I am done with the whole portion of my hair, is left with me to cover my hair and then wait for 15 to 30 minutes so that I would wash this off. Now the cap I'm going to be using is this. This is a plastic cup, sort of like a shower cup, but it's a deep conditioning cup that you can put on instead of your normal plastic bags or the polythene bag or sort of. This is from Bonnet Haven on Instagram. This is their handle. I don't know if you can see it. It's from Bonnet Haven. They have it's plastic lining inside out, and so this is a great replacement for your normal plastics that you use for deep conditioning, and it is very affordable. So I'm gonna be using this on my hair, and so I'm just going to pick my hair, then tie it with a plastic cup like this. And I go ahead and put this on. So ideally you can use your heating cup at this moment to like use heat, because it's necessary that you apply heat to your deep conditioner to enable it to penetrate better. But today I'm not going to be using heat, so I'm going to be leaving this on for an hour, and I'm going to be using my body heat. So this cap on is going to help me keep the heat inside so that I can deep condition my hair better. I've used it before and it has been helpful, so I'm using it again for you guys to see. I'm just going to be leaving it like this, and trust me, there's heat inside, I mean internal heat from my body. So I'm not going to be using a heating cup today, and trust me, it will come out perfectly like always. So I'm going to be trying to put this on as well, just to get more heat. I don't know if it's going to fit. So this is my first time trying this one. I don't know, I've not done it before. I'm just trying something else to see what else I can use my So this is it. I'm gonna leave it in for an hour, but if you are using a heating cap, 15 to 30 minutes is fine. So see you in an hour time. Let's wash off our hair and let's see how the product works on my hair. So guys, it's an hour now and I'm about to take this off my hair. So I'm just gonna be taking off the microfiber towel first, then I'll go ahead to take off the deep conditioning cap. Now, like I said, I never use heat, it's just my body heat, and this has been very helpful because I can feel the heat in there. This is very helpful. And so if you need some, I'll link their Instagram link in the description box so that you can check them out at Bonnet Haven if you are in need of this beautiful bonnet, deep conditioning bonnet, or the microfiber towel. You can get both from them. So now look at my hair. Now I can feel it's very moisturized and it's soft, so I'm gonna be washing it off and then I'll be back to tell you my thought about it, and also let's take it from there. So right now I'm back from the shower and I just tried to dry my hair with this microfiber towel. So the mini video is just to show you how the deep conditioner was on my hair before I went to wash it off. When I took down the twist, like, my hair was soft, and you can see I like how manageable my hair was and how moisturized it looked. So after washing the deep conditioner from my hair, my hair is very great, guys. So guys, this is my hair now. What I have to say is that it feels very soft and it also feels stronger, and I really love how this deep conditioner felt on my hair. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was really helpful. I actually make this deep conditioner in small batches for those who request. So if you are in need of some, or if you need one, you can just let me know. I would put my WhatsApp link in the description box so that you can send me hi, or you can send me a message and let me know. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm not gonna think of how to style this hair, but the deep conditioner was great on my hair, and I hope you try it out and let me know what you think about it as well. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed.